Hey there. Today we're going to talk about the ticket cutoff time. It's very important when you're selling tickets online to be able to stop selling tickets prior to the event. If you're a tour operator, there's a different issue. You might want to stop selling tickets 48 hours before the event if no one's booked because you need time to allocate a guide. However, if there has been bookings and a guide has been allocated, you don't want to lose the opportunity to sell more tickets. So your ticket cutoff time might be shorter. So I'm going to show you now how to do this on TicketingHub. So the first thing you do is you open your product. You go to Settings. You click on Ticket Availability Cutoff. And here, when is the latest I can purchase a ticket before a booking date? You can set it up to 2 hours or 48 hours, whichever is convenient for you. And on the second option, after the first booking is confirmed, how long will tickets remain available prior to the booking date? So that means that if the guide is allocated and you know the tour is running, you might want that to be 1 hour or 2. And that's it. Thank you for watching.